Greetings, this is Robert Major. Good day, good day, good day, good day. I'm so excited. I really appreciate you all for following, liking my videos, giving me feedback. The feedback is tremendous. Yesterday, I got a message from someone who's been watching my video, and thank you. You know who you are. Thank you so much for your question. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot. You have no idea how much it means. But the question is, you got your Florida license. I got my license. I finally got my Florida's license, my insurance license. And her question was, what's next? And she's not the only person. It just so happened that same day, I got another guy that asked me that same question. Thank you so much for the feedback. So what's next? What steps did you take? What did you do? So I just want to take a few moments to just share with you some of the steps, some of the things that I did. By the way, it is burning up here in the state of Florida. It is August and the heat is in full effect. I'm in the AC and I'm still sweating, so bear with me, y'all. But okay, I got my license, right? And the second question, when you're dealing with insurance, you have to decide what type of insurance you want to deal with. Which type of insurance do you want to sell? I knew through the passing of my father that that's what got me into trying to make sure that I help people out whenever you have a loved one to pass. I knew that was my passion, but I was influenced by a couple of people. David Dufour, he is amazing. This guy, if you want to know about insurance, you want to get a good idea, you want to get a good perspective about selling insurance, about insurance overall, final expense. Now he's all in Medicaid, Medicare. He's all over the place with insurance. He's a great resource. His site is amazing. He really influenced me to just focus on final expense in the very beginning of selling insurance. So that was my first step. Cody Askins, he's great too. But David Dufour, he's definitely is an amazing guy. And shout out to David Dufour. You keep doing the work that you're doing. You're definitely helping out people that's new to the insurance business. But with that said, I wanted to know, okay, I know what type of insurance product I want to sell. Now my question is, what company do I go with? Which insurance company do I get appointed? And how do I get appointed? So I went and I looked in the Department of Financial Services. They got a website where you can go and you can look up insurance agents. And I've watched insurance agents that are successful that I see around me throughout the state of Florida, even in other states. And when I went, I started looking up those different people named inside of the Department of Financial Services. I started looking up agents. And you can look them up by first name, last name, or if you know their number, you can look them up by their insurance number as well. But that site is a great resource. I looked up some of the people that I think are killing in the insurance business, and I saw a commonality. I kept seeing this company just spring up or just sprinkled into their list of different companies. And I knew I didn't want to start off with 4 or 5 different companies. But Security National Life was the company that I first got appointed to, and I love that company. That company it's been around for quite some time, and they are great when it comes to matching you up with a manager. They're great when it comes to, it's a no-nonsense, commission-only structure. They adjusted well to COVID-19. I mean, everything just transitioned. The whole business just transitioned. They pay time is excellent. I could sell an insurance policy today, and because today is Sunday, so this is a little bit different. If it was during the week, I could sell it today before 8 o'clock tonight, and within 24 hours to 48 hours, my commission check is in my account. And speaking of account, I got appointed with them. I set up a bank account. I went to my local credit union and set up a bank account, and I started me a LLC. I registered with the Department of State, set up a LLC, a limited liability company, and I made sure that the companies from this point forward, when I register under my federal ID number, which will be under my company. Then I bought some errors and omission insurance. I did $1 million policy right now. And that insurance is for if I make a mistake on an application, if I make any type of mistake, and if someone turns around and sue me for negligence, then I can be covered. And so I thought that was very important. All businesses should have some type of errors and omission insurance or liability insurance, for whatever field that you're in. So those were the things that I did. And right now, I just recently got appointed to selling Aflac, and I'm diving into that. I'm taking a slow dive, but I'm still working a full-time job, so I'm not moving as fast as other agents. But I did make, like, my first month selling Security National Life. Yes, I did make a couple of sales, and then I made a couple of more, and they're not coming as continuous that I would like. But oh my goodness, this insurance game, if I could just get the consistency down, it's game over, because this is really a cool field. It's repetitive, but it's still cool, and you see the opportunity where you can really make a decent amount of money if you can keep your consistency going on. I bought leads. Most of my leads have been self-generated through word of mouth, through referrals, through me reaching out to different people. Facebook has been great when it comes to leads for me. I do my own leads right now, and so far it's not consistent, but it's still not bad. And for the amount of money that I pay for leads, it's definitely well worth the time. It's well worth the effort. So that's where I am right now. I'm going to continue to try to keep you updated and let you know the steps that I took, what I did to become an insurance, after I became insurance agent, and then I'm going to share with you just my journey. And if you like it, please comment below, please subscribe and share with your friends. If you're interested, whether it's in business or insurance, because you can tie everything that I'm talking to you about and everything on this page, whatever type of business you're in, you can still tie it in. So I encourage you all to please follow, please like, please subscribe, and continue with the feedback, the positive, constructive feedback, and continue with the questions. And I do my best to answer the best way that I know how, dealing with my personal life experience. So y'all be well, be safe, and be good.